mind sharing a little bit about your first investment? Obviously, you've now quit your job and you're going to go out there and now you're going to buy, your very first real estate investment. The beginning of your entrepreneurship is at its infant stage. I know you started a company already, but now you're starting to buy real estate. Can you share a little bit about how that looked?
Yeah. So what was interesting is I grew up in South Chicago, and I live not too far from there now, but over the state line in Northwest Indiana. A couple of reasons for that. Schools are better, taxes are lower, things like that. But
awesome.
When I did get to Northwest Indiana, I was kind of marveled by a couple things. Number one, growing up in the south suburbs of Chicago, when you say Indiana, even though it's like literally 5 miles away, it's like a whole nother planet, right?
Right.
And so when I got to Indiana and living, and I'm raising a family and things like that, and I'm looking at real estate, it was just different. It was just, there was a different mentality, there was a different price point, there was all kinds of these things. And so when I chose the area that I was going to live in, and I was starting to build my other company, and I made the conscious decision to invest in real estate. There was this street, and it was a street in the name of the city was Crown Point. You guys can look it up if you want. But Crown Point sounds like a really beautiful town, and it is. It's like if you ever go back to the movie Back to the Future.
Okay.
With what's his name?
Michael J. Fox. Michael J. Fox. Michael J. Fox.
No, shoot. I'll look. Michael J. Fox. I'm sorry. Yes, Michael J. Fox. You got it.
Michael Jordan.
Look at the set of when the clock tower and the downtown. That's Crown Point. It's like in Yoshi. You've been there.
Yes.
You can attest to that.
Yes.
But,
gorgeous.
So there was this street there, and I said, if any property comes up on this street, I'm going to buy it. This is my first property.
Okay.
Lo and behold, I'm driving down the street. A guy, the real estate agent, is pounding the sign in the front yard for sale. It was a duplex, so it was right up my alley. I pulled immediately over. I knew nothing about that. I sounded like a real novice here. I knew nothing about the property. I knew nothing about the price. I didn't even know the real estate agent. I pulled over. I hopped out of my car, and I said, listen, I'm going to buy this property. He probably thought I was a stalker or a nut or something. I said, hey, I want to buy this property. And he was such a nice guy. His name's Jim. I know him now well. And Jim was like, okay. I've never had someone approach him. But that kind of resolved before. If I had a sales contract in my pocket, I probably would have filled it out at that moment. But I said I was going to buy the property. It was interesting because it was a duplex. The woman that owned it was, in her 80s. Her children were sending her to a assisted living facility in Wisconsin. She had owned the property with a twin sister. One twin lived in one of the units, the other twin lived in the other. It was freaking out because they were married to twin brothers. Freaking out. I'm thinking all the kids look alike, But
that's amazing.
It was interesting because I negotiated that deal with really 80% bank financing and 20% seller financing. So I had to have the thing 100% financed. But what I didn't realize is, one of the twin sisters had passed away. So the other twin had put just somebody in the unit just to, cut the grass and take care of the place, and just charging, minimal rent, $300 in a $750 market. And then the woman that I bought the duplex from, she moved to the assisted living facility, so I had a vacant unit. And even though I came to the closing table with no money, as 30, 45 days rolled around, I had to pull money out of my pocket to cover the expenses and the mortgage payment. That really wasn't, that was a mistake. It wasn't a huge mistake, but it was a mistake that I had to recover from. But I learned from that, and that was my first entrance into real estate investing.
Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Yoshi Strachey, the host of the real estate show, Utah Home Sweet Home, which airs every Saturday morning from 9 to 10 a.m. on K-Top Radio 1640 a.m. I'm also the host of the show, $1 Million Home Sweet Home, where we tour $1 million homes right here in this beautiful state of Utah. I'm also a real estate agent, a real estate investor. I fix and flip houses, and I'm also a national public speaker. And on this channel, we're gonna talk everything real estate as well as everything Utah, because this beautiful state has a lot to offer. And if you're looking to get to know more about real estate and real estate investing, or just purchasing your very first owner-occupied home, you've come to the right place.